There, coin enthusiasts and history buffs. Welcome back to Worth Coins channel. And today, we're diving into the intriguing world of numismatics as we explore the 1999 United States 1-cent coin. From its design to its historical significance and current value, we've got it all covered. So, grab your magnifying glass and let's uncover the secrets of this fascinating coin. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the design of the 1999 US 1-cent coin. This particular coin features the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, on the obverse, front, side. The design was created by Victor David Brenner and has been a staple of the penny since 1909. Fun fact, it was the first U.S. coin to feature the portrait of an actual person. You'll find a depiction of the Lincoln Memorial, a tribute to President Lincoln's enduring legacy. The coin's reverse was designed by Frank Gasparo. Interestingly, there are two main varieties of the 1999 cent coin, one with a close AM reverse, where the letters A and M in America are closer together, and the other with a wide AM reverse. The close AM variety is rarer and therefore, often more sought after by collectors. Now, let's delve into the historical significance of the 1999 1-cent coin. This coin was minted during a time of great technological advancements and cultural changes. The late 1990s marked the peak of the dot-com bubble, a period of rapid growth in the tech industry. Additionally, 1999 was the year that the euro currency was introduced in the virtual form, paving the way for its physical debut a few years later. Alright, let's talk about the big question: what's the current value of the 1999 US 1-cent coin? Well, the value of a coin can vary widely based on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. As of my last update in September 2021, a circulated 1999 penny is generally worth face value, 1 cent. However, if you're lucky enough to come across a coin in mint condition or one of those elusive close AM varieties, its value can increase significantly. Always remember that the coin market is ever-changing, so it's a good idea to consult coin experts or online resources for the most up-to-date values. For all you budding coin collectors out there, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Coins in better condition tend to command higher prices. Look for well-preserved coins with minimal wear. There are various 1999 pennies you can find in circulation, while some remain unreleased. And, depending on their state or error, their values can range, as you'll see below. 1999 penny value details. Minted at Philadelphia, no mint mark. Mintage 5,237,600,000. Designation, MS. Strike type, business. Obverse designer, Victor Brenner. Reverse designer, Frank Gasparo. Metal composition, 5% zinc, 2.5% copper after 1982. Fineness E83. Mass/weight, 5 grams. Thickness, 52 millimeters. Diameter, 19 mm. Edge, plain. Shape, round. Coinage years, 1959 to 2008. Educate yourself about the coin's varieties, history, and current market trends. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions. Be cautious when purchasing coins, especially from online marketplaces. Ensure the coin's authenticity through reputable sources or certification. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive exploration of the 1999 US 1-cent coin. From its historical significance to its potential value, this unassuming penny holds a wealth of insights for collectors and history enthusiasts alike. Remember to keep an eye out for those valuable close AM varieties. You might just stumble upon a hidden gem in your coin jar. Thanks for joining me today on Worth Coins. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things numismatic. Until next time, keep collecting and keep exploring.